Imagine standing on a quiet beach. The waves gently touch your feet. The sea looks calm, peaceful, and almost familiar. But beneath that calm surface lies one of the greatest mysteries on earth. A place so dark that the sunlight had never reached it. A place where the pressure is over 1000 times greater than at the sea level. A place where creatures survive that look like they came from another planet. Now, here's something even more unbelievable. Humans have worked on the moon, we have sent robots to Mars, we have explored worlds billions of kilometers away. Yet, more than 80% of our ocean remain unexplored. Think about that for just 1 second. The greatest mystery on earth isn't it somewhere among stars? It's just right beneath our feet. So, how it is possible that we know more about space than the ocean covering our whole planet? Today, we are diving into one of the greatest mysteries of the world. When astronauts look back at the Earth, they don't see countries, they don't see cities, and they don't even see peoples. They see one beautiful blue planet. That blue color isn't it land, it is water. About 71% of our planet is covered by ocean. Think about that for a second. The majority of our home isn't in land, it's ocean. If all the oceans were spread evenly across the earth, the entire planet would be covered by the water, almost 3 kilometers deep. That's enough to hide entire mountain ranges. But there's the shocking part. Even though the ocean covers most of our planet, we have explored only a tiny fraction of them. Every year, scientists launch new satellites into space. Powerful telescope discovers new galaxies. Robots travel across the surface of Mars. If you asked scientists to show you a complete map of the deepest part of the Earth's ocean, they could not. Some parts of the ocean floor have been mapped in the great detail. Others are still nothing more than rough estimates, and many places have barely been explored at all. In fact, this might sound completely unbelievable. Scientists have better maps of the moon and even Mars than they do of the deepest parts of our ocean. Imagine that we understand another world better than our own world. So, what makes the ocean so incredibly difficult to explore? The answer is far more terrifying than you might think. Most people believe space is the most dangerous place humans have never explored, and honestly, they are not wrong. Spaces has no air, no gravity, temperature degrees are dropped to 100 below zero. One small mistake can cost an astronaut life. But the deep ocean has its own terrifying rules. Rules that even our most advanced technology struggle to survive. As you descend the ocean, the pressure keeps increasing. At just 10 meters below the surface, the pressure had already doubled at 100 meters. It's 10 times greater and it never stops increasing. Imagine placing one elephant on your shoulder. Now imagine 10 elephants, now 100. That's still nothing compared to the pressure at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. Down there, the pressure is over 1000 times greater than what you are experiencing right now. Enough to crush an ordinary submarine like an empty soda can. And then comes the darkness. Sunlight can travel about 200 meters into the ocean. Below that, everything disappearing. No sunlight, no sunset, no color, just complete endless darkness. If you switched off your submarine lights, you would not see your own hands in front of your face. Imagine being completely surrounded by black water for kilometers in every direction. And there's another problem, communication in space. Radio waves signals travels easily, but underwater radio waves become almost useless. Instead, scientists must depend on slow moving sound waves. Sending even a simple message becomes far more difficult. Every dive into the deep ocean takes years of planning, millions of dollars, and technology built to survive. One of the harshest environments on the earth. Yet, despite at the danger, humans keep going deeper because at the bottom of our planet waited one final mystery, the deepest place on earth, the Mariana Trench, a place so extreme that very few humans have ever seen it with their own eyes. And what scientists found there changed everything we thought we knew about life on Earth. At the bottom of the Pacific Ocean lies a place that almost feels like another planet, the Mariana Trench, stretching for over 2500 kilometers. This enormous trench is the deepest place ever discovered on Earth, and as its deepest point lies the Challenger Deep, which is nearly 11 kilometers below sea level, way deeper than the Mount Everest. It is tall. Imagine placing Mount Everest inside the trench. Its peak would still be underwater. Down there, the pressure is almost 1000 times than the sea level, enough to crush most submarines and even still start to lose the battles. For decades, scientists believed nothing could survive in such an impossible environment. No sunlight, no planets, almost freezing temperature and crushing pressure. But they were wrong. Life had already found a way. Scientists discovered strange creatures living in complete darkness, transparent fishes, timber, sea and glowing organisms that create their own light. This natural light is called bioluminescence. Instead of sunlight, these animals produce light inside their own body. Some use it to hunt, others to hide, and some to communicate. Imagine floating in complete darkness, when suddenly tiny blue light being appearing all around you. And
Beautiful,
perhaps
yet
the
terrifying.
most surprising discovery wasn't the creature, it was plastic waste. Even at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, the deepest place of Earth had already been reached by human pollution. Scientists found plastic waste even at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. The deepest place on Earth had already been reached by the human pollution. That there are places humans have never explored, yet our trash got there first. The Mariana Trench reminds us that Earth still holds countless secrets. Every expedition discovers something new, new species,
And
new
maybe
ecosystem, and
the
new
greatest
mysteries.
discovery has not happened.
Yet, because somewhere in the darkness, something is still waiting to be founded. For centuries, humans have looked towards the star, but perhaps our greatest discovery isn't waiting in the space. Maybe it is waiting beneath
Today,
the waves. Scientists are building new generation of water robots powered by AI, advanced sonar, and autonomous navigation. These machines can explore places where humans simply can't survive. Every year, new species are discovered in the deep ocean, creatures that nobody knew existed, which means there may still thousands or even millions waiting to be found. The ocean could even help us to answer one humanity question: can life exist beyond Earth? If life can survive in complete darkness under crushing pressure without sunlight here on Earth, then perhaps similar life could exist beneath the frozen ocean of moons like Europa or Enceladus. That's why every dive into the Earth ocean doesn't just teaches us about our own planet. It may be also us understand how life could survive somewhere else in the universe. It is strong, it is strange, it isn't it? We dream about the distant galaxy. We imagine alien worlds. Yet the greatest mystery may have been here all along, hidden beneath the endless blues, waiting patiently for someone to discover it. The ocean isn't just a body of water, it is Earth's last great frontier, a place filled with mysteries waiting to be explored. So, the next time you stand beside the sea, remember that beneath those peaceful waves lies a world more mysterious than a science fiction. While humanity keeps searching the stars, the greatest mystery of all may still be right there on Earth, hidden in the deep.